Yep.
Even look at it.
I said,
Yes.
oh God.
I said, does MJ know you posted that? That was my comment. He said, no, but I'm sure somebody will tell. Forth about the dog again. Oh yeah.
Something, I forget.
About Widowmaker.
Yeah.
Yeah. He had a Halloween photo set that
Oh.
I didn't want Wade to miss.
That's right. And did I tell you to like it or something?
Oh yeah. But I can't.
You've been barred.
Yeah.
Oh, more blood. The mystery continues.
Came up with a good point. Maybe animal and he's carrying it back and he's bleeding all over the place.
That could be. Can you... I suppose it's some kind of deer season out here.
Yeah, I would think so. Blood trail is the dead deer there. We finally discovered that. Killed by a hunter, we suspect.
I've had rabbit before. In Spain, that's like you get rabbit.
And the kill we think is fairly recent.
I think rabbit's more palatable meat than squirrel, isn't it?
But whereas rabbit doesn't have any fat, it's all protein. So if you were in a place where you needed fat, you're going to die eating rabbit. What are we eating?
I like it symmetrical on it.
It's like a candelabra.
Michelin Man. You know, if that animal had been killed very long ago, that reptile would have been attacked by a coyote.
You're right. It wouldn't have to be there for very long. Vultures,
Yeah.
everything would get to them. So I have all these rat traps at home, and I just throw the rats out in the desert, and they set up right against the desert. It's not even 2 hours that go by, that thing is gone. We got a lot of ravens, though.
Yeah, ravens will too.
Yeah, I wonder how they carried that thing out.
I suspect they had a horse.
If you throw it over your shoulder, I mean, you're good. We're not going to go out to eat this Thanksgiving. I'm not cooking this time. And obviously, there's a lot of people that do that because I tried making reservations at 3 different places. They were already booked up.
Oh,
I did find a place in Cave Creek, the boulders. We don't have any people in our neighborhood. Everybody's kind of gone. It's actually 8.
yeah.
Wow. Charlie gonna climb up there?
I don't know. We'll see if she sees it. Thanks. Guess I'll go this way. Well, somebody else has been up here. It's a blue balloon or something, looks like.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely got an alcove to it, that's for sure. Good thing, huh? Yeah, exactly. Oh, yeah, there's some black on the ceiling. So definitely been some fire going on. Yucky cat claw. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Wow, okay. Jeez.
Oh, wow. It's kind of big, though.
It is big, but what else would it be? I mean, I guess,
I don't
would
know.
they bring a horse in there?
No, I don't think so.
It's big poop. Bear?
No.
Could be bear.
It's got too much hair in it.
Which makes
Oh.
it like bird cat.
That's cat.
Look how big it is, though, Jack.
You need to go in there. You're a poop expert.
Poor Jack.
You don't know?
Didn't know that was the reason he was brought along.
All right, we're going to go.
Yeah, this is going to be the fun part, is going down.
Yeah, Mary Jo's route that she came up looks
Was it
like
good?
a good route to go down.
Okay. All right. She will lead us down then, I guess.
So in an emergency, you don't need to stay there. Maybe it's zombie food.
Jeez.
Is Wade no poop?
Some of this is bear.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, maybe it's all there then.
It's a perfect bear cove.
It's just awfully big, I think.
Wade would be jealous.
Yeah.
Is that bridge better?
I think it's bear.
Less bushes.
Yeah. Kind of make yourself look that.
It does, doesn't it? That's,
I know. That's why I wanted to game trail or something.
alrighty.
Okay.
Adventure number 1 completed.
Yeah, I just thought and I don't care what we do, but if we see something we want to explore.
Well, we had that's why we stopped. We figured you probably would want to go up, so we thought, well, we'll just wait.
Come on, you did too. Yeah, that is. Little side trail back. Jack makes his own path.
Yes, he does. Doesn't trust the girlies. Well, plus I didn't think you guys wanted to hear me complain about it for 30 years. So, I'm tired of complaining about it. It's been only 6 months or something, I think.
And you've given it a fair shot.
I think so. Wow. Look at that really tall tree there at the top of that crack. There's the Seeking of Your Vultures. Yes, you're close.
You have a big meal. The other direction. Now, program on called, I think it's Men, Women, Wild.
Okay.
It's about couples, not necessarily married couples, but boys and girls and married couples. And it's kind of like another survival show.
Oh, okay.
Set them off, and you got a couple of weeks they got to survive. Did you watch it? Oh, geez. What a joke.
Oh, it's not that good.
Oh, I don't remember if it's Discovery or I think it's Discovery. And well, they're stupid. So they get to bring a bunch of items. I mean, you know, I don't know, a choice of maybe 10. So this couple brings a bow drill. What? Why would you? The hardest way to make a fire is bow drill. Why not bring a fire skill that won't be as
Somebody sure
bulky?
feeds them horses good.
He's complaining about the horse apples. Oh, wow.
Yeah, one couple, the gal couldn't make it the first night.
Oh,
So
really?
she's tapped out. They do a flare gun to get out of there. I forget where they are. They're in a swampy area somewhere. No, they're all in different directions. I forgot. One's in Norway. One's in a swamp somewhere.
Is there wild land in Norway?
It's cold.
Oh, well, yeah.
Lots of good hiking.
Did they bring a blanket or just a bow grill?
Oh, yeah, it's sparked the propane tank.
Maybe you and Wade should enter one of those.
Wade should. He should go. Oh, God. That would be awful. Well, they definitely get a lot of bickering going on.
Or that.
Oh, geez. With Wade and I, that is.
Oh.
I think that about drove Larry and you guys crazy.
Oh,
Well, you either get put up with a little bit of bickering, or depending, or your spouse doesn't even go with you at all. So
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
True.
Well, I guess that was unnecessary.
I still would have liked to have heard a little more about his night out in the rain.
Yeah. All he said really was that he was out Thursday afternoon exploring on the east side of the creek and he got drenched.
Yeah.
Now why he didn't bring his rain gear, if you want me.
Yeah, because he wore it.
That is cool. Bill Mountain is cool.
Yes, it is. The shape is cool.
That trail me in Piston Rock was a clear shot.
Yeah, now why didn't you guys go up there?
I don't know.
Because you were more than halfway there.
Yeah.
I mean, you were at the base of the peak pretty much, weren't you?
Well, it was looking like we were close to
Okay. JJ has a good track for it.
hard to go back.
Yeah.
And we've got a couple of guys that knew the area, and they said, oh yeah, if you follow that trail over there, see it goes to the other side of the mountain.
Really? I know John L.P.'s been up there. I think he did that with JJ. So, Mary Jo, you had a nice weekend in Pine?
Oh, it was. It was just gorgeous with the snow.
Yeah.
I did a lot of antique shopping.